Hello Vivikians, welcome back to your maths class. Hope you all are fine and in good health. So our today's topic is Roman numerals. You know what are Roman numerals? Hundreds of years back, we have Romans living on the earth. They used a special system of numeration which is called as Roman numerals. वो एक अलग सा सिस्टम यूज करते थे और वो सिस्टम नंबर से नहीं होता था. दैट वॉज विद अल्फ़ाबेट्स दैट आर 7 अल्फ़ाबेट्स. वो 7 अल्फ़ाबेट्स इंग्लिश के यूज करते थे and they made a whole counting. Those 7 alphabets were I, C, L, D, M, V. And X. So they used these 7 alphabets and they made the whole numeration which was called as Roman numerals. Keep it in mind, all the 7 alphabets are in capitals. कभी भी small में नहीं लिखा जाता. All these 7 alphabets are in capitals. So these 7 alphabets are there और इन सब की values हैं. I means 1, V means 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M stands for 1000. Keep it in mind, there is no alphabet for 0. That means उन्होंने 0 को डिनोट करने के लिए कोई भी अल्फ़ाबेट नहीं बनाया था. वो सिर्फ यही 7 अल्फ़ाबेट्स यूज़ करते थे and they used to write the whole of the counting. And now this unit also you have covered in your class 4th. So now before beginning it up, इसको अच्छे से और go through करेंगे with the help of few rules. So here are the rules stated above. The first rule says repetition of an alphabet means addition. अगर एक alphabet को मैं 2 या 3 times लिख रही हूँ, like I'm writing I, it means 3. That means I'm adding I और I की value क्या थी 1. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 3. Repetition of an alphabet means addition and एक alphabet hardly 2 या 3 times repeat हो सकता है, not more than that. अगर आप 4 times उसको repeat करोगे that is wrong. Only 2 or 3 times it can be repeated. The second rule says I, X, C and M can be repeated. अगर आपने repeat करना है तो सिर्फ I, X, C और M कर सकते हैं. V, L and D are never repeated. इसको अगर learn करना है तो one easy thing. See here, this is 5, this is 50 and this is 500. That means multiples of 5 are never repeated. इसको ऐसे learn कर लो. Multiples of 5 are never repeated and rest of the 4 alphabets can be repeated 2 to 3 times. The next rule says smaller symbol is on the right side of the bigger symbol, values are added. Like this X and I. अब यहाँ स्मॉलर है I और ये है लार्जर नंबर के राइट साइड पर. जब भी स्मॉलर नंबर राइट साइड पर होगा लार्जर नंबर के, बोथ द वैल्यूज विल बी added. That is 10 plus 1 which is equal to 11. Now fourth rule says if smaller symbol is on the left side of the bigger symbol, values are subtracted. For an example, I took I and X. पिछले हमने example में X and I लिया था. Now the smaller symbol that is I is on the left side of bigger symbol. In this case it is subtracted. I is 1 और X की value है 10. तो ये होता है subtract and the answer is 9. ठीक है. Fifth rule says this is a bar. इसको कहते हैं bar. This line is called as bar. Bar is used for writing multiples of 1000. M की value 1000 होती है तो हमने स्टडी कर लिया. But if I have to write suppose 5000 को कैसे लिखूंगी? रोमन्स ने इसके लिए तो कोई सिंबल नहीं बनाया. So for writing this what will I do? 5 की वैल्यू क्या होती है? We write as V और thousands डिनोट करने के लिए हम ऊपर डाल देते हैं बार. तो जिस भी अल्फ़ाबेट के ऊपर आप बार डालोगे वो अल्फ़ाबेट डायरेक्टली ऑटोमेटिकली 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है एंड गिव यू द वैल्यू. सपोज आई हैव टू राइट 14,000. 14 कैसे लिखते हैं हम? X which is 10, IV which is 4. Now 14 और 1000 डिनोट करने के लिए ऊपर डाल दिया बार. इट बिकम्स 14,000. Last of the rule says if a smaller value is between two greater values, it is always subtracted from the right numeral. Like suppose the same example, it is x, I and v. x की वैल्यू है 10, I की 1, v की 5. अब इस केस में I किसके साथ जाएगा? In this case, I is always subtracted from the right side value. उसके जो भी right side पे value होगी उससे वो subtract हो जाता है. तो 1 minus 5 कितना हुआ? That's 4 और ये 10 उसके साथ हो जाएगा plus. तो it becomes 14. So I hope you have understood the rules. Now using these rules and the things I told you previously, you are going to solve exercise 1.6 which is uploaded on the website. Now kids, this unit is about to over. आज ये last explanation था which we have done. 1.6 आप solve करेंगे and tomorrow related to this unit only we'll be uploading some MCQs and some mental ability questions which you have to solve in your notebooks. Thank you for the wonderful session.